is Cody. Wait, no. I'm Legacy. Lily, come here. Ah! Woo. Lily, want to be on YouTube?
Sure.
Okay. Look.
How come I'm on this side?
Because it's like a mirror. Lily. I want to do something exciting with my life, don't you? Oh. Nothing to do. Maybe we should get over here, Lily. Oops.
Okay.
Wait, no, Lily, get back. I'm going to show Kyle's drawing. Lily?
Hey,
Okay.
I guess.
This is what my
Cody
18-year-old brother drew from this.
Ah, see, doggies.
No,
Let's see.
Don't see. That's what he drew. Now, see? Look at that. See? I mean, that's amazing. I mean, my brother. Seriously, draw. Crap. Hold on. Hey. Hey, I'm back. Now. Okay. Do the dark or supersonic? Yuck. They love like drunk driving and stuff. Now it's a question mark. How do you do it? Okay. Well, bye. Hold on. Bye.